Hello everyone, this is Mark here from the Shading Company out here in Dallas, Texas, where we just completed the installation of these 4 rolling security shutters in this commercial location. The customer had the unfortunate situation where somebody broke into this window and stole a couple of things. They gave us a call to help secure this area and install these shutters that will work as a deterrent for possible intruders. These shutters are Nautilus rolling shutters. They are motorized by Sunfeet RTS motors. I'm going to show you in this video how they work. In my hand I have the typical Sunfeet multi-channel remote. Still in the bag, we don't want to dirty it for the customer. I'm trying to remove this little paper so I can show you. We got 4 shutters. We got shutter 1 here to my right, then 2, 3, and 4. We got an upper limit, lower limit, and a stop button. I'm going to show you how these shutters come down at the same time, the off function. And as you can see, the shutters are beginning to roll down to their lower limit. These Nautilus shutters are very nice shutters, very smooth, very quiet. With the all function, the shutter is going to be able to, the customer is going to be able to bring them all down at the same time. Or they can also have the flexibility of bringing them down individually. I'm going to show you here. I'm going to just bring unit 1 up. You can see unit 1 is going to its upper limit. Unit 2. Unit 3. Unit 4. Unit 1 already got to the upper limit. Unit 2, almost there. You got there. Unit 3, up there. And Unit 4 is almost there. As you can see, very clean operation, very smooth operation. Now the customer is going to be able to protect the windows, and hopefully there'll be no more intruders. And you're in the market for any type of rolling shutters, security shutters, storm shutters, interior or exterior shading solutions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, this is Mark from the Shading Company. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.